This is downtown Ajo, Arizona. Kind of your last stop before you get into Mexico. A lot of Mexican car insurance available here. Places to gas up, fuel up, water up, get some supplies. We are probably not going to be going into Mexico, but there is some BLM land down here. Just past Ajo, Arizona, there's a little town called Why, Arizona. That's even a smaller town. I believe they have an RV park or two, and that's just about it. And then you're about 30 miles out from the Mexico border. So we'll be close to the Mexico border, but not in Mexico. We had some clouds roll in here, so there's going to be a little bit of a cool off. We've been in 70-degree weather for, the last month here in the Arizona desert. We have a little cool off for a few days, going to drop down into the 50s during the day and the 30s at night. So really not too bad, but just a little bit of a change. Might have some winds. So we'll see how it goes. Not been this far south in Arizona before, so this is all new to me, new area, new terrain. Really love it. Okay, this looks like it. Travel caution, smuggling and illegal immigration may be encountered in this area. Sweet. Something to do anyway. Boring otherwise. 14-day camping limit. Looks like they've got a little bit of signage here. Some information. So yeah, we're just gonna poke around, see what we can find here. Got some biscuits going in the cast iron skillet. Oh yeah. Alright, the biscuits turned out awesome. Nice and fluffy and flaky. Those are just the Pillsbury ones. And made a little biscuit and hash brown sandwich there with egg. A little sriracha mayo. Nice little breakfast treat. Alright, today we're in Organ Pipe National Monument. This is the Arch Canyon Trail we're about to do. There's an arch up here. It's a short trail, a little bit of elevation gain, so we're gonna go check it out, see how close we can get to this arch. Okay, looks like the rest of our trail is gonna get a little bit more rugged, going from dirt to just this rock. Ah, it's beautiful out here though. Pretty lush for desert. Definitely a little bit of a climb here, but worth it. Okay, well, we're approaching the summit here. This has been a pretty rugged hike. I think it's about 1,000-foot elevation gain in just over a mile. And the view from up here is very spectacular. Okay, we are relocating camp. We're supposed to get some rain today. It's already starting to come down, and there is a lot of low spots here where if it gets too much rain, it can flood. So we're gonna go up to higher ground. I scouted out something this morning before it started to rain. We're gonna go up on this high point here. It really is beautiful out here. It's just very scenic. Kind of beauty in all directions. So we're gonna try to sneak up on this hill. There's actually an old concrete slab, so we'll be parking right on a concrete slab, so it'll be nice and level. There's a little fire ring someone built on it already. So we're gonna snag this before someone else does. There was a group here the last few days and they left yesterday, so kind of wanted to come down here anyway. The rain gave us an excuse, so here we are, perched up here. Figure out what direction I want to be facing. Well, here we are on the slab, another beautiful day here in Ajo, Arizona. Perched up on this concrete slab here. This old table is over here. Guess it's been here for a while, so I'm taking advantage of it. Got the grill up there. Grilling up some cheeseburgers. Oh yeah. Okay, the final product here. Had to use English muffins because I got no buns. Some tater tots cooked up. This looks like a good salad here.
Broccoli kale.
Looking good. Just about time for sunset. Yes, perfect. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you guys all following along and joining me on my adventures. We'll catch up with you in the next video. Take care. Peace.